Hey guys, welcome to Business Baked. And in this course, we're going to go over how to start a business, some steps you need to know. And the reason it's called Business Baked is because I correlate building a business from scratch to baking. There are certain steps you need to follow, ingredients you need to have in order to have success come to you. So let's get started. The first step in this 5-step process is the recipe. You need a recipe. You need a plan. How are you going to do this? And first, you want to research the market. Make sure whatever business you're planning on opening will be well received in the market that you are in. For example, you probably don't need to start an ice factory in Alaska in, let's say, wintertime. See where I'm going with this? Right. And then after you have done your research, formulated your idea into an actual business, then you need to have a plan. So a business plan can be one page. It doesn't have to be overwhelming, but you need a starting point. So make sure you go through that section and go ahead and start building your business plan. Next is cookie cutter. This is the formation of the business. And this is pretty cookie cutter. It's a framework. So you need to realize, does your business structure, is it more suited to an LLC, a sole proprietorship, partnership? What type of business are you starting? Is it a corporation? What are the benefits to each of the structures? So make sure you dive into that section to make sure you choose the best structure for your business. Now, the third step is what I call the baker's man. Taxes. Well, we may not like them, but we need them. So this is sort of how to legally form your business. Most of the information is pulled directly from the irs.gov or Small Business Association website, because legally you want to make sure you follow all the proper etiquettes in your state. So with that said, you need to fill out forms, you need to file them, you need to make sure you have the right taxes that you're going to need to put in your bookkeeping system. So just make sure you legally open and start your business correctly. Next step is hot oven. Now this step is all about accounts and accounting. So if you don't have the right accounting, trust me, you'll feel the fire. You'll feel those flames because you don't know what your debt to income ratio is. So you need to make sure, one, you set up separate finances from your personal and your business. So that's this section goes into that. Business bank accounts, business credit accounts, and then finally the bookkeeping system. Yes, I don't care if you're one person out of your house, you need a bookkeeping system to make sure you are doing, like the last slide, the baker's man, you make sure you take out for those taxes. So when tax season comes, you're not strapped. Now, the very last section covers license, permits, insurance, all the fun things that pretty much no one thinks about until it's time. So you need to find out what licenses and permits are needed in your state. That's under irs.gov. And then that section sort of takes you what a license is, what a permit is, and why you need them. And then it also goes into what business insurance is. And the question I get, do I need it? Yes. You may not have to have it, but yes, you do need it. So make sure you go into that section and find out what type of business insurance, you need to protect yourself. So this covers the basic steps, right? So we're just giving you the basics, but we really delve deep into each of those steps. So I'm hoping that this gives you a great start for all of your future successes. Until next time, guys.